Mr President, gender equality and women's empowerment are values and principles that we all praise within the European Union. As such, they definitely need to be shared with the developing countries in the framework of the existing cooperation. And we all hold a huge responsibility when addressing them, because promoting double standards would morally outlaw us, and we certainly lose credibility. I am specifically referring now to the amendments tabled for voting today, the same amendments which were rejected by the Commission on Development. Colleagues, I fear that we risk using different yardsticks when we bring out these values to our development partners, and on the other hand, when we use them inside the European Union. We cannot afford to exclude from this report references to reproductive rights, because this is a core topic when we are targeting the promotion of women's rights and their empowerment. As the report correctly emphasises, women's full enjoyment of their sexual and reproductive health and rights is a prerequisite for achieving gender equality. The protection of reproductive rights, such as planning their family in terms of birth timing and spacing, and decision making regarding reproduction free of discrimination, coercion and violence, provides for women's freedom to participate more fully and equally in society. We cannot go only halfway towards our partners and claim at the same time that our goal is to have healthier and stronger women that are able to participate actively and equally in society. Please excuse my tough words, but to me this is mere hypocrisy. We will fail to achieve these goals if we start by excluding core issues or give them a different reflection of our principles, different of what we use back home. In today's world, promoting gender equality and women's empowerment in developing countries is not an easy task, and reaching these targets implies definitely a genuine commitment and action. And most of all, it implies our good faith in our relations to developing countries. Thank you.